BOOZHOO ni Janachanabe and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Michael Lyons, and this is the pre-taped call-in show. So, I don't have my phone number right here, but that's a problem. So, not sure how you're going to call in. Plus, it's pre-taped, so by the time this actually gets on YouTube, I won't be doing this anymore. Otherwise, please feel free to call in with your questions, your comments about the show. We have a lot of fun doing the show here, and really appreciate all the kind words we've been getting and the support. There is one thing though, I don't know how this got started. There's a rumor going around that I am NANABOOZHOO and Natasha's dad, and I'm not at all. And secondly, there's also a rumor going around there that there's something going on between me and Natasha, and that's absolutely not true. And so I just, NANABOOZHOO is my best friend. Natasha is his girlfriend. And so I don't know where these rumors get started, but so those are two things. Natasha, has anybody called in? Okay. Do you want to do a song while we wait for someone to call in with their questions? All right. How about we do a song by the Five Stair Steps? It's an old band from the 70s, and I think they're called the Five Stair Steps. And this is Ooh Child. You ready? Okay. Maybe we should tune it up first. Welcome back to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO telethon. This is the pre-taped call-in show. So far, nobody's called in. Not sure what the problem is. Granted, again, I know the number's not here. And this is pre-taped, but still. All right, so here's a song called Ooh Child. Ooh, take two. Ooh Child. Someday we'll get it together, then we'll get it all done. And someday when your head is much lighter, and someday we'll walk in the rays of a beautiful sunrise. Someday when your world is much brighter than now. Right now, you Alright. Ooh, child. Here's a song that doesn't have harmonica on it. Never meant one word, and never meant one word, and never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, and never meant one word, and never meant one word I said. Now you're my one, you're my only regret. I never meant one word, and never meant one word, and never meant one word I said. And I lost my job just the other day. Like everybody else, well, I've got a mountain of bills that need to be paid. Then I lost my way, now I don't know which way to go. But the wind may blow and the grass may grow. For all we know, it just might snow. And what'll I do? What have we become when the day is over and the night's begun? What'll I do by me and you? I told you before, we are so true. But I never meant one word, one word, one word I said. I never meant one word, and never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I'm so sorry, I never treat you like that again. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. How about How much time have we done? So now that's going on about 11 minutes, 12 minutes. Do I want to talk and make this really long? Or do I want to say... I guess I'll say, if no one's going to call into our pre-taped telethon live stream event, then whatever, viewers. You know, there's a reason I don't come on the show much, and I just let NanaBOOZHOO and Natasha do everything. Because, you know, I'm just going to say, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work to do this show. And, you know, I get up very early every day. You know, there's probably more to it than you even think, you know, when it comes to mixing the audio and doing the video editing, the, you know, just the performances themselves. You know, I have to stay in good health and stuff to do it. And I do it, you know, for you, the viewer. And so, you know, once a year maybe I come online and I ask you to call in with a question, maybe a comment. I'm not even saying you have to call in and give us your money. But I do want to tell you I'm pretty disappointed that nobody would bother to call our pre-taped live call-in show. Whatever. And yeah. So thanks for watching. I guess this is the future. So yeah, from the past, I just want to let you know how very disappointed I am in you. And so future viewers of BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, just want to say thanks for watching. Our Ojibwe phrase of the day will be Miigwech Ganawabiyeg. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Michael Lyons, and this is Natasha, and this is NanaBOOZHOO. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minowa. Hawa.